Good morning and welcome to Day 2 of the Kingsman inaugural Australian Sugar Conference. Australia's sugar industry continues to face substantial change in the form of a world market delicately poised near levels of sustainable profitability, industry rationalisation, and the implementation of new forms of risk management. Our accounting staff specialises in preparation of tax returns for individuals, partnerships, trusts, corporations, and self-managed superannuation funds, whilst our authorised representatives can assist you with wealth management and retirement strategies. He staggered into the coach and horses, more dead than alive, and flung his portmanteau down.
A fire! In the name of human charity, a room and a fire!
He stamped and shook the snow from off himself in the bar, and followed Mrs. Hall into her guest parlour to strike his bargain.
"Wait a bit,"
said the tortoise.
"I'll run a race with you, and I'll wager that I win."
"Oh well," replied the hare, who was much amused at the idea. "Let's try and see." And it was soon agreed that the fox should set a course for them and be the judge. When it comes to getting your property rented or sold, the most important thing that you can do for your property is have professional photographs taken. And here's why. Today's customer is extremely visual. Prospective tenants or buyers spend hours sifting through photos of hundreds of properties on many websites.